Otu appli castorol forer. Castorol a lombinused arum di forer los antininger. Ita manioteus avel, including moisturizing dryer, taming freeze, en managing. Tangle. It quand also make your gros tronge antiquer. Trimuche mort tout juste slapping at castorolon, ove, you prepare all will determine easy to puton. Ti article will show you how to. Prepare all how to apply it to your hair. Preparing at all. Gate your supply. Applying castor to hair same like it might be simple, but rare affecting you could do to make it more effective and easy to apply. A list of what you will need. Castorol. Otéol, argan, avocado, coconut, jojoba, soie almond, etc. Hot water. Bowl. Jar. Shoe cap. Toel. Old shirt, recommended. Dilute te castorol with anoteol. Castorol iveritic, wish can make it hard to apply. Triusigne par castorol, en on par of anoteol, sucha. Argan, avocado, coconut, jojoba, or soie almond. All of the zol argrea forer. You can also treat the following combination. Tablespoon castorol. Tablespoon jojobaol. Tablespoon coconuol. Consider adding a few drop of essential oil to mask the smell. Castor oil can smell bad. If it bother you, try adding in 2 to 3 drop of a fresh smelling. Essential oil, sucha, rosemary, peppermint, or tea. Pour all of the oil ato a small jar en check the jar to mix everything ato jete. Close the lid tightly, en check the jar for a few minutes. When you are done, tac. The lid off. Fill a bowl with very hot water. Make sure that bowl is large enough to fit a jar. You will be warming at all. It will make it more effective and easy to work with. Dono attend to warm the all in the microwave. Put jar into the water, and leave it there for 2 to 4 minutes. Make sure that water level is at same level at all. Also, make sure that no water get inside the jar, or the all will get wet. If the water go with the all, it won't cause the same effect but if you want, it to show it tout au test à moins possible, don't worry you won't go in it, then. Pu conditionner in your hair en juste si in the bathroom. The warmth will moisturize your hair, helps pliant, promote more growth to your haute and make your hair soft and shiny. Make surtout have a glass of water in case you start to feel it your toe hot. On set olive arm, pour it into a small bowl. It will make it easy for you to dip your finger into when you go to apply it. Consider pouring it all into a small bot te le wet and dropper. T way, you can use the dropper to just drip the all to your scalp. Using the castor oil. Start with dans, buno water. T will help the all absorb it into your hair. A quick way to dampen your hair to fill a spray bot te le wet water, en spraying just your scalp. Cover your shoulder with a towel. It will protect your cloth from getting covered in oil. It may also be good to wear something you don't know carabou anymore, in case the oil drip past the towel. Dip your finger into the oil, and massage your scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. 6. Don't use to mushol, a little bit go a long way. Use your finger to spray add the oil between your hair out and across your scalp. Massage your head with your fingertip using a small, circular motion. You can also use an drop to drip the oil onto various points on your scalp. It may be easier for you, and less messy. Be sure to massage the oil into your scalp for about 5 minutes. Apply the oil to the rest of your hair. Scoop a little bit more oil onto your finger, and rub it between your palms. Then, run your hands across your hair. Use your finger to comb your hair, to help distribute the oil. Again, start with a small amount 1. You don't need a lot of oil. Cover your hair with a shoe capital loosely pile your hair on top of your head. If you need to, You can keep it in place with a claw clip. Slip a show cap over your hair. The show cap will try to it inside, and it will keep your hair from drying out. Vra out toel around your head and show capital warm up a toel be soaking it with very hot water. Twist the toel to jet on excess water out, and vra it around your head. You can tuck off the toel in under your turban, or you can secure it with a large hair clip. It from the toel will make the toel more effective. Wait 30 minutes to 3 hours before washing the toel out. You can also leave it on overnight, all to grill it to l'evidence that shot is more effective. When you go to wash your hair, knot it matak a while before you jet all toel out. Some people find a washing with just conditioner, en skipping the shampoo, is more effective than using shampoo. Use it treatments to twist avec for best reçu. Keep in mind, however, that you may not see reçu the next day. Try using the castor oil treatment for vehicle before moving on to something else.